My energy savers, I will be demonstrating to you the 60-watt floodlight, solar floodlight. There is currently a power outage. My phone light is also off, and I'm about to turn on the 60-watt solar floodlight. Wow, look at that. I can see straight up there. It is so super bright. So this is what the light looks like on flood mode. This light actually is a dusk to dawn also. It comes on at 6 and it goes off at 6 a.m. If there's a day when there is overcast, it will last for at least 18 hours before it needs to be charged. So this is how this light operates.